everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you what I made with some dies that I received from Inlovearts shop. This is a collaboration video with them. So today I'm going to show you 3 sets of dies. And the first thing that I made was this box. This is a gift box and this is how I decorated. I used a set of the circle dies, these ones right here. They look like doilies when you cut them. And I used the 3 doilies to make this decoration. And this is my handmade rose. And I just embellished with this tag that says happy birthday. And here are the doilies. They are 3 in a set. And the biggest one is a quarter less than 6 inches, okay? And then these 2 small ones, and they are so beautiful. I loved working with them. It's a very nice accent on your project. And for this border, I use another die from Inlovearts shop, and this one is a long one, and it's so beautiful. It looks like lace. See? And I put all around. And it's this one right here. Look how long it is. This is 11 inches. And this die comes in a set with this one. And I didn't use this one, but I already cut one so you can see. See how beautiful and big it is? Perfect for a card or a mini album too, right? Or to embellish any box or any frame. And this one measures 7 inches. 7 inches long. Now I'm going to show you a card that matches the gift box, and this one can hold pictures on it, okay? And for this card, I use the border right here, the long one, okay, to match the card with the box. And I just use half on one side of the card and the other half in the other part, see? And even right here in the center, I just use one more. Can you see? So it can look like laces. And I made a pocket right here, and you can have mats for pictures right here. And I even added a small tag. See? And this is another mat. So you can send some pictures and you can add more tags or goodies if you want, okay? So this one looks like this, and this is the back. And right here for the frame, I just got a piece of cardstock in mint color to match this one. And this one is another die from Inlovearts shop. Okay, this beautiful frame. And it's this one right here. This one, okay? So I cut out this one, and it gives me just a white part right here with flourishes, okay? The frame with flourishes. This one has an opening, and I can put a picture in there or a quote or something and add it up here. And this one is a set of 3 dies, and they are these 3, okay? So this is a very big die, and this is the one that I use. And it comes with a small one. And this one measures 4.5 inches. But this big one is 7 inches. So you need a machine that cuts over 6 inches, okay? Because this one, it won't fit. It's 7 inches to both sides. And this little one is 2.5. And I'm going to show you how I cut these 2, but those projects I'm going to explain more in another video, okay? The first one, for the big one, I already have it up here, and it's cut. As you can see right here is this beautiful, beautiful frame, and it needs to embellish a little more. So I'm going to show you in another video how it looks at the end, okay? And this little one, I use it for a journal that I'm making. And is this one right here. Is so, so cute. So delicate, see? And this one, I cut it in cardstock, but then I use distress inks and I just color it, see? So it matches the journal that I'm making, and that journal I'm gonna show you in another video because I use more stuff from Inlovearts shop. I love it. It's so delicate and it cuts very well. I'm going to put the links of all the items that I use in the description box, and I will also add a coupon code in the description box. Now I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of the box and also of this card, okay? And in future videos I will show you how I made these two, okay? We are going to make the box, and for this box you will need 2 cardstock, okay? And these one are 8.5 by 8.5, okay? Both of them. And you are going to score at 1.5 inches on each side, okay? See, 1.5 inches and right here. So you have all the sides at 1.5 inches, and both are going to be the same, okay? Then you're going to cut right here, okay? One side right here on top and the same direction right here at the bottom. So I'm gonna show you right here. You cut straight, but then in this part up here you're going to cut slanted and leave a little bit of a space, okay? So you're going to take this part up here, and that's because we need to fold this one and put this one underneath, and it does very straight if you do that, okay? So you're going to do the same thing. This one goes straight, but this one, the end, is going to be slanted. See? And now in the other side, in the same direction, see? Same direction, right here. Okay, you're going to do straight, and then this one a little bit slanted. And this one right here too. So we have, okay, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom on the same direction, right? Now we're going to fold, okay? We're going to fold all the creases. And we're going to do the same for both of the papers, okay? See? Then you have it like this, okay? And then you are going to put these 2 inside, and when you glue, you just have to match the top, and you will have enough space right here, okay? It's not going to be folded like this, okay? Group. It's going to be straight, okay? You just match the side and the top, and it will be straight on both sides, okay? So you have to glue all of the sides, and we're going to do the same in the 2 papers, okay? Now when you have the 2 parts ready, it's going to look like this. They are the same size, but when you close this one, you just push a little bit this one inside, okay, and then the other side, and it closes. Now we're going to embellish the top using the set of these dies that look like doilies. I cut these 3, and we're going to put foam tape right here, just in the center, and we're going to glue this one like a cake. Okay, then foam tape right here, and right here in the center, and then we're going to put right here. You don't have to put a lot outside, okay, just in the center so you can pull this one, okay? So we're going to just glue this one in the center. Then this is the second one. As you can see, it's just in the center a little bit. And then the third one, okay, that has a little bit of foam tape. Then you just start like pulling this one up, this. Looks like this. See, more dimensional. So beautiful, right? Then you can put any embellishment on top. In this one, I just put a flower. For this part up here, okay, this is the other die that I use. And this one I had to cut in half right here. You just cut in the center right here. And then okay, you are going to give the shape of the end. You are going to make this one round. Okay, like this. And then this part up here, you will finish like the other side, okay? And to glue this one on the edges right here, I use tacky glue. Okay, this one is from Elmer's. You can use any other tacky glue. And you will just put on the border, okay, just right here in the border, and you will glue it right here, okay, on this side. And that's it. You're going to do that to 4 sides, and at the end, after you glue, you just can pull a little bit so it can look better. It looks much better, right? See? And that's it for this box. And this is the card that we're going to make. This one can be a card, can be an insert, can be anything, okay? Even if you want to set a stamp or something, a goodie, okay? It will look very nice, right? So now I'm gonna show you the dimensions so you can fold the paper and make it like this, okay? With 2 pockets. This paper is 8.5 by 11. And you are going to fold at 5.5, okay? Then you're going to turn and you're going to score at 5.5. So it will be a square after you fold the paper, okay? You fold the paper right now and it's 5.5. And now you're going to fold this one to the top and it will be 5.5 by 5.5, okay? Like this. Now that it's folded, you're going to put it on the table and you're going to press. Make sure this one is folded and you're going to press, okay, like this, very well. And you will see that you have an extra paper right here, okay? And you are going to cut out that part. That's an excess because it doesn't have more room up here. So you fold the paper and you cut that excess, okay? And now it looks straight, right? So then you're going to glue this long piece, okay, on the top right here. Now you're going to fold this one and glue it on top, okay? You don't need to cut it. You just glue it on top like this. Then right here, because I want more room, okay, for tags or any other things, okay, that I want to put, I always like to put a gusset, see? And this gusset is going to be 3 by 1 inch, folded in half and glue right here in this side and on this side. Okay, then that's it. Very, very easy. These are 5 by 5 if you want to do maths, and you can make a small tag, okay? Then right here, what you have to do is just glue the other halves, okay? The other halves that we cut, and you're going to glue it on top. You just put glue right here on this part up here and glue it at the edge, okay? Glue it at the edge and it will look like this. See? Can you see? Very nice. Okay, now let's do the frame. For the frame, I cut this one using this die, Okay, and it looks like this. Look how beautiful. Okay, now we're going to need a piece of paper that is bigger, and you are going to use a different color. And this piece of paper is going to be 4.5 by 4.5. Okay, so now that my frame is cut at 4.5 by 4.5, okay, I'm going to put it on top, okay, this little frame, and I'm going to mark right here. I want to know if it's straight. Okay, and I'm going to mark right here the dots. See? Okay, I have the 4 dots, and then I'm going to cut those dots, okay, using a cutter, okay? And it will look like this, see? You cut the window, and then you can put some glue here and glue this one on top right here, okay? So now the frame looks like this, okay? We are going to glue just 3 sides, okay? And for that I use foam tape, so I'm going to use foam tape up to here. You put the foam tape, you have to measure the inside, okay, and you will know how much you need for a tag. For example, right here has 3.5, but if I cut the paper at 3.5, it's going to be too tight, so I need to cut like a 3 1/4, and right here is going to be at 4, so it's going to look inside. And after you put on the card, okay, let's see, this is my card. After you glue this one in the center, okay, you just can slide this paper. And you will have the edge decorated, okay, like this. Okay, that's all for my tutorial, and I hope you liked this gift box and this insert or card. And if you're interested in the dies, don't forget to visit Inlovearts shop, okay? Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.